Yes class, good morning. Today we will discuss here problem solving of exercise 9.2. Question number first, second, third has been solved in last lecture. Today I am taking question number 4. Today is second lecture of this exercise. Yes, now look the question here. How many terms of the AP, this AP minus 6, minus 11 by 2 or minus 5 in this AP dash 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 needed to be give this sum is minus 25. It means if this AP are given minus 6 plus minus 11 by 2 plus minus 5 plus dash dash dash. How many terms are required? The result will be minus 25. How many terms will be required here in this AP? How many one first term, second term, third term? So how many terms of this AP is required? Its result will become is minus 25. It means this value is called here Sn. This value here called is A. Then start the solution. What is the AP here given? Minus 6, minus 11 by 2, minus 5, dash dash dash. So what is the A here? A means first term. What is the first term here? Minus 6. What is the A Sn? This is the value Sn is minus 25. And you will be find here how many terms. How many terms here? N here required here. So how many terms of in this AP required here? Result will become means sum of these n terms. Result will be here minus 25. This is called the Sn. And D here, what is the D? D means A2 minus A1. What is the A2? Minus 11 upon 2 minus 6. So minus 11 of minus plus 6 upon 1. So minus 11 plus 12 upon 2. So 1 upon 2. This is the value of the D. This is the value of the D. This is the identity of the D. This is the identity of the D. With help of you find the value of the D. After that you will find the sum of the n term of this. What is the identity here? Sn equal to n upon 2 2a plus n minus 1d. This identity here sum of the n term of the AP. This is the identity of sum of the n term of the AP. Then Sn value here you have to given here. Value A is already given here. Our value n you will find here. Our value of the D are already given here. So D, A, Sn. 3 value are given. Then you will find the value of the n. So now put the value here. What is the value of minus 25 equal to n upon 2. 2 into minus 6 plus n minus 1 and D equal to 1 by 2. This is the identity. Sn value are putting, n by 2 are same, and 2a value of the A is minus 6, value of the D is 1 by 2. Then minus 25 equal minus 25 into 2 equal this 2 you cross multiply here 25 into 2. What is left here? And minus 12 plus n minus 1 by 2 so minus 50 equal minus 12n and then plus n square minus n by 2. This n multiply inside 12 minus 12n n into n square and n upon 2. Then you multiply here taking LCM minus 12 and 12 to the 24 minus 24n plus n square minus n upon 2. This one is 50. Again taking LCM in both the term here, 12 to the 24 and n square minus n. What is this two cross multiply here? Minus 100 minus 50 into 2 equal to 24n or n minus 25n plus n square. Then you can write here n square minus 25n minus plus 100 equal to 0. Plus n square here same, minus 25n here same, minus 100 transporting the right side, this plus 100 equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. This equation is a quadratic equation, or you can break down with help of the splitting middle terms. This quadratic equation you will break down with help of the splitting middle term, then you find the value of the n here. So first of all, you will make the factor of the 100, n square. The factor of the 100 means factor of 100. What factor of the 100? 25 is 100 and 20 plus 5 equal to 25. So means when you multiply 20 into 5, the result is come 100. When adding the 20 and 5, the result will come 25. Yes, this is the factor of this 20 and 5. 20 plus 5 and plus 100 equal to 0. N square minus 20n minus 5n plus 100 equal to 0. What is the left here? Taking n common. Taking n common, n minus 25. Taking here 5 common, n minus 25. This is 20 equal to 0. Here taking n common in both the terms. Here taking 5 minus 5 common, n minus 20, n minus 20, n minus 20 again taking common here. N minus 20 and n minus 5 equal to 0. So then if n minus 20 equal to 0, then n equal to 20, and if n minus 5 equal to 0, it means n equal to 5. So the value of n equal to 5 and 20. This is your answer. Product of both the number are 0. If first number is 0, first term is 0, the n minus 20 equal to the value of the n equal to 20. If second term n minus 5 equal to 0, then n equal to 5. The value of the n here, two values 5 and 20. This is your answer. This is your answer. According this way, you will solve the question. You are given AP, you are given, but last term is not given. But sum of the n term here given is minus 25. So first of all, you will mention here what things are given, what things you require here. The value of n here required here n. So this value, what value of this n here? 5 and 20. The value of the n here 5 and 20. So this value are given. So then a2 minus a1. Then you can solve this and then you get the answer. Yes, note down it. Then next question. Yes class, next question I am taking question number 5. This is a very important questions. Question here, in an AP, any one AP, each term is 1 upon Q and Q's term is 1 upon P. Suppose any AP here, those having the pth term means TP equal to 1 upon Q and TQ equal to 1 upon P. This AP. TP term is 1 upon Q or TQ equal to 1 upon P. This is the given. And prove that, you will prove that then Sn as PQ term is equal to 1 upon 2 PQ plus 1. So you will prove this. So what is the PQ term of this? What is the PQ term of this? So now start the solution here. Given that TP P term is equal to 1 upon Q and TQ equal to 1 upon P. This is the given. TP equal to 1 upon Q and TQ equal to 1 upon P. So it means using this identity here, Tn. What is the identity here? कि a plus n minus 1d using this identity Tn term. So in place of the Tp using this identity of this, then you can use your Tp term. Now a plus q term, the q minus 1d equal p minus 1, so Tp term equal to 1 upon q. This is the equation first, and is second here, and this equation ki a plus q minus 1d equal to 1 upon p. This is equation second. Look again, if this thing and this thing, Tp term here 1 upon q and Tq term here 1 upon p. So using this is the Tp means Tn term. So identity of the Tn term is a plus n minus 1d. Using this identity here, the p means p term here, p number of p terms. How many terms are you finding? You p term. So then a plus p minus 1d. You can write in this. The value of the Tp here, value of the Tp here, we will mention here ki a plus p minus 1d. And value of the Tq here ki a plus q minus 1d. According this, the Tn value of the Tn equal to a plus n minus 1d. Then n place here p. Then you write n place here p. Where n place here q, then you mention here n place here q. So this is the Tn terms, this is the Tp term, this is the Tq terms. So every identity is same. So then in this place I am putting this value, and in this place I am putting this value. The two equation here formed. After that you will be subtracting the equation first from second. Now subtracting equation first from second. Second means a plus q minus 1d minus a plus p minus 1d equal to 1 upon p minus 1 upon q. Subtracting equation first from second. So this minus this. So you can taking here a minus a, here minus a, and this is the minus a. The minus a minus and plus, taking the both the things here common here, q minus 1d minus a minus p minus 1d equal to 1 upon p minus 1 upon q. This has been cancelled here. Minus a plus a has been cancelled here. So taking d, taking common here. So taking d common here, q minus 1 minus p plus 1 equal to taking here q minus p upon pq. Then this one also here cancelled. So d equal q minus p equal to q minus p upon pq. So this pq and this one has been cancelled here. So what value of the d here? 1 upon pq. This is the value of the d. This is the q minus p and q minus p. Opposite direction then we cancelled here. Q minus p, q minus p. So the value of the left, what value of the d here left? 1 upon p, 1 upon pq. After that, putting the value of the d any equation first, otherwise you can put this second. You put any one equation. The value of the d you can put equation first, otherwise you can put this second. Any one equations. So then now from equation first, putting the value of equation first in d here, what value come here? A plus p minus 1 into 1 upon pq equal to 1 upon q. This value you can put equation first, otherwise you can put equation second, any one equations. Then you find the value of a. You have got the value of the d. After that you will get the, in this condition you will find the value of a. What value of a here? The value of a equal to 1 upon q minus p minus 1 upon pq Now this term is transposing the right side. So this is the positive form, then you are converting the negative. The p minus 1 upon p2, this is the negative form. After that you taking LCM. So what LCM here? Q, here pq, means here p is left. You will multiply p, numerator and denominator both, then you get the common LCM here. So means what value of the LCM pq? So p minus p plus 1. This p also is cancelled. What value here? 1 upon pq. First of all, you will take the LCM of here q, here pq. Means here left only q. Sorry, p, q, both the term, q having the both the term, but here missing here p. Then you will multiply and divide by the p here. So here p multiply and then divide by p. So what LCM here? Pq. So then LCM will be converted in PQ, and then this P minus sign minus P or minus minus here plus 1. So plus P minus P will cancel. What is left here? A value of the A here 1 upon PQ. A value of the A and value of the D you have got here. Then you can find, you prove that the sum of first P2 term. After that you will find the value of the sum of the PQ term is this. You will prove these things. These things you will prove here. Sum of the PQ term. Sum of the PQ term here this. So now Sn equal to n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. Value of the D you have got here, value of the A you have got here, and value of N means PQ, as you have got here N. Sn means as PQ. What value of N? N means PQ. Because here are proved that the sum of PQ term. The N place you will be put here PQ in N place. Then PQ upon 2, 2A. What value of the A? 2 into 1 upon PQ plus PQ minus 1, 1 upon PQ this. Look here. When you putting what value of the N here given PQ, so then N place you will put the PQ. Every N, this N, this N, this N. So PQ, PQ and PQ. What value of the A here? You have already find here. What value of the D here? You have already find here. Then you put here. You solve these steps and you get the answer. So yes, now PQ upon 2 and this PQ taking common here again. So this PQ. Because this is the first term, this is the second term. So 1 upon PQ, 1 upon PQ in both the terms. So take out the common here. This you have taken out the 1 upon PQ common. From first term and second term. And this PQ already from take out it from so there you have left here 2 plus PQ minus 1. You have left only this. So this PQ will be cancelled here. This PQ. What is left here? 1 by 2. And this PQ will write the first here this PQ. 2 minus 1 is plus 1. You are hence proved. The value of the PQ equal to this. And as PQ equal 1 by 2 PQ plus 1. This value have become 1 by 2 PQ plus 1. So you have this has been proved here. This value has been proved here. Sum of the PQ term is 1 by 2 PQ plus 1. So this is the identity of sum of the PQ terms, not n terms. N place you will replace, n place you will replace by the PQ. Where is the n? You will replace by the PQ, PQ and PQ. Then you solve this step, you get the 1 by 2 PQ plus 1. This your result has been proved here, but when you starting the question very carefully, and AP P term is 1 upon Q, then TP equal to this is 1 upon Q, and Q term here 1 upon P, then TQ equal to 1 upon P. So what is the full form of this? This is the TP means SN term, TN terms. Create two equations here. subtracting both the equation, then you get the value of d, then you, after that you will putting the value of d any equation first second, then you will get the value of the a and d. After getting a and d, you will put the write the equations, write the identity of the sum of the PQ terms, and then putting the value you get the this answer. Yes, note down. Then next. Yes, question, class. Next question I am taking question number 7. This is a different type question. Question number last question. Question here to find the sum of n terms. You will find the sum of the n term of the AP whose kth term is 5k plus 1. Here general term is Tn, any kth term is Tn term here given. Tn term given of this AP, those will find the sum of the n term of this AP. Suppose any AP here given here Tk equal to 5k plus 1. This is means Tn term. What is the value given? Tn term here given, the a plus n minus 1d. This is the Tn term, the kn term. The value of the Tn term is Tk term. The here value of the Tk term. What value given here? 5k plus 1. This is the given. In this place you will put this. Tn term, value of the Tn is a plus n minus 1d. But you will given value at Tk terms, n place here k, then you find the, you will put the value 5k plus 1 in place of this. But then first of all you find the k equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 dash dash dash. Because they are n terms. Because here you find the sum of the n terms. Here dot then n term. That just means n term. Suppose you find k equal to 1, the t1 in first term, 5 into 1 plus 1, 6. K equal to 2. First of all you will put the k equal to 1 in this here, then you will get the first term. When you put the 2 here, then you will get the second term of this. The t2 equal to 5 into 2 plus 1, 11. When you put k equal to 3, the t3 equal to 5 into 3 plus 1. So this is equal to 16. And k4 equal to the t4, 5 into 4 plus 1, 21. So now everything you will put the 4, 5, 6, 7, then AP will be formed. So then now your AP is formed here. First term is 6, second term is 11, 16, 21 dash 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 n term. First term here 6, second term 11, third term 16, fourth term is 21 and dash dash is n term. Because you are n number, then your n terms. So you will be find the sum of this AP. You will be find the sum of this AP. In this AP you will find the sum. So then you will get your the Sn. You will find the value of the Sn here. So now value of the Sn. First of all, value of the A here 6. What is the first term here? 6. D. What is the value here? D. 11 minus 6 equal to 5. Then Sn equal to n upon 2 2a plus n minus 1d. A place you are putting the you will put the value of A place is 6 and D place you will put the 5, and then you will get the result of the sum of the n terms of this AP. Now Sn equal to n upon 2. N will be not change. This n will be not change because you are finding the sum of the n terms. Then 2 into 6 plus n minus 1 d, d means 5. N upon 2, 6 to the 12 plus 5n minus 5. What result comes? 6 to the 12, 5n minus 5. What result comes? Sn equal to n upon 2 5n 12 minus 5 7 plus 7. This is your answer. So this is your, so those AP having the TK term of this, then the sum of the n term of this AP is n by 2 5n plus 7, 5n plus 7. This is your final answer. This is your final answer. In this AP, sum of the n term of this AP is n by 2 5n plus 7. This is your final answer. Yes, according this way, every question though having in this form, if general term is given, this is the general term is given here 5k plus 1, and you will find the sum of the n term. Every question you will solve according this method. Every questions. Yes, note down it.